that's when I knew I had a problem, and I didn't know how to stop. The first time I ever picked up substances, I was 12, so I was extremely young and impressionable still.
I got into a car accident at 17 and got introduced to pain pills. And my addiction took off from there. You know, I was that addict that didn't think I had a problem, didn't think that I needed help, you know, because I was taking my prescription.
I thank God for this house, because I probably would have died out there. I would have, because I was getting to the point I just didn't want to live.
They would probably, they could die. After being clean this long and going back out there, they don't have anywhere to go except for their using buddies. And they could die.
And it was hard at first. It was difficult. You're moving into a home with women, but the amount of love and compassion and understanding and just unity and camaraderie that comes from living with women who know exactly what you've been through and they don't judge you for it.
This house pretty much saved my life from that, because if I didn't come here, I probably would be using again.
It's the first time in my life that I'm actually sober and clean, and I understand the importance of it. And just having that security and knowing that I have my bed to come home to and my room to get up in the morning, like, it's just an incredible feeling.
I never thought I would be where I'm at today. And it's just, I didn't use.
But this is the monumental moment in your life that you need. It may not have felt like that at the time, but had it not been for that moment, I would not be where I'm at today. And my life today is like beyond my wildest dreams, so.